Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Removing new line or space characters from a list in Python can be achieved using a list comprehension along with the strip method. Here is a step-by-step tutorial with a code example. Step 1. Create a list with new line or space characters. Step 2. Use a list comprehension to remove new line or space characters. Explanation. The strip method removes leading and trailing whitespace characters, including new line characters, from each element in the list. The list comprehension iterates over each element in the original list and applies the strip method to remove the unwanted characters. Step 3. Print the cleaned list. Complete code example. Output. In this example, the new line and space characters have been removed from the elements of the original list, resulting in a cleaned list with only the desired strings.